Hello there. Today's lesson is about using can and can't for ability. I can do a lot of things. For example, I can play volleyball. I can knit. I'm making a scarf. But I can't do a lot of other things. I can't draw. I can't sew. And I can't sing. La la la! We use can plus the base form of the verb to talk about affirmative ability. For example, I can sing. He can play the piano. We can dance. They can cook. We use cannot or the contraction can't plus the base form of the verb to talk about negative ability. We almost always use the contraction. For example, I can't draw. He can't play the guitar. They can't swim. To make yes-no questions with can, use can plus the subject plus the base form of the verb. For example, can you sing? Can she drive? Can they dance? We can answer yes-no questions with short answers. To answer yes, we can say, for example, yes, I can. Yes, he can. Yes, we can. To answer no, we can say, for example, no, I can't. No, he can't. No, she can't. No, we can't. No, they can't. You can use the adverbs well and badly to show degree of ability. Remember I said I can't draw? I can also say, I draw badly, or I can't draw well.